Okay, so
Okay, so
we low. We low.
We come and lose some kind.
We low.
We come small one kind. Okay. We are come and small. Sometimes we are big. Sometimes we are small.
Okay.
Sometimes we are medium.
So the more you see,
yes.
the less you understand.
Abracadabra. Abracadabra.
Okay, so una no Ogola, you notice that today is slow.
Today? No, for my eye, fast though.
It fast, okay. Today, May 11:30 reach. You know, reach. It's very, very slow.
You see,
but night come they short.
No, we did that time of the year where nights go they short, day go they long.
I know, like
longer days, shorter nights.
I know, like.
But at the same time, person wey dey talk say day dey slow, na no get work to do. Na they do you. Cause you share, you don't work for you.
Hello, I've been awake since 4 a.m.
So?
I start my work since from 5 a.m.
So
don't be telling me that I'm jobless. I'm just saying the day is not a fast.
Yeah, it's not a fast because you are not a job for somebody. You can be sitting in a particular position and you are not get work. Different kind of things na inside the home matter. You can sit there like that and say, I'm busy. I wake up 3 o'clock. Say you go fly to do winch meeting. I
go to do work so that I can put food on your table.
I see nothing. To put the food on your table.
Oh God, greet them.
We welcome all of you that come to the show, the party show.
Yay!
Party. Okay, Kata won't worry me now.
Sorry.
Okay, so we welcome everybody to come to the show, and hope say una night is very, very okay. Your girl Mayowa, and of course your boy Ogbalor. You know, we are there here to make sure we are giving you something on top of the party show. You know what I'm saying? So welcome. We'll make sure say everybody they all right. And for those of you now, they send us message for Twix.
Thank you so much.
Hey. Oh, you're touching our rats. Hey. Oh, I need air. Oh, my jeez.
Oh, your what? Oh, my God.
You this girl say, "Una can form for nothing." Oh, my jeez.
Okay, so thank you so much for everybody where they join us. For people where they follow us for YouTube, especially, thank you so much. People where they follow us for Instagram, thank you. People where they follow us for Twitter, thank you. And people where they follow us for road, all of now, thank you.
No, I may not follow us for road though. Me no follow us for my why no go too good though. Let's do waka dey waka for stress.
Paddy,
And for facing book too, those of you now.
Yeah,
we are liking our pages and everything. We love you.
Yeah, thank you for facing us with all your problems. No problem.
Yes. Some the best for us though.
I know, right?
You say we know they respond to them.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
We try.
Come on.
Respond to you.
Please.
Whenever you want. We are there for you.
Me? Come on.
Come on.
Yeah, stop. It can't fake.
Okay, so
I
we
beg
go
now. Area.
When we see when I come back with Yan, come back with placard of Yan. I they want una now.
Maya, you like to want too much. It's not too good for a woman with a composure thing.
No, it's because you people don't know the way they were shouting for us. Sit down, no waiting.
Which, Maya, please, try to compose yourself, understand? This kind of thing you are doing like this is not okay for the ministry.
I don't have composure.
Please.
Ogola, you wicked. This is your laugh now, wicked laugh. You wicked.
You go don't say some found a dog. That one not big guard house.
Mistaken identity.
All right.
Okay, so Mokwe just entered the level. Now for my first story this morning. Wow, Nkechi. Nkechi, you tried on my face.
Yeah, you come and find in a
yeah, and I'm not even wearing a earring. You know when you're fine, you see, in this fine girl business.
Like they read your business. No, you say read your business. Read your story. We talk about this fine girl business.
Sorry now.
Because read something.
Why are you against my pride?
No, when are they verse for person prideness, are they speak Igbo? Because read the
All right, so now this particular man, I don't know what's in the warrior. The man get name. Wait, make I find the name for you because the name you get as be as you get. The name na oh, but no be that type. This one this okay. In name na Romario.
Ah, footballer.
No. Okay. Romario dos Santos Alves.
Kataya.
Bayale.
Kochaye.
Yeah. He be 25 years old. Father of one, married man, father of one. He then married to this particular lady, where then they call Maria Sangela Mario. She be 22 years old now. Him be 25 years old. Ask me, say, what this guy do?
What I do?
This guy say he won't become life Incredible Hulk. That very boring character. You know Incredible Hulk.
You know boring. No.
You know say Incredible. Now he miserable pass. According to N6, now he miserable pass.
He no miserable pass.
He miserable.
To me, no miserable.
Very uninteresting
get hot
character.
Temper. It's as a man, he get hot temper when he verse the buzz will come out.
He's
and
always
he
sad.
You understand? Some people be like that.
It's a sadist.
Nah, sadist. In the other way meaning. It's a sadist.
Not Mario no. Saying you want turn to Incredible Hulk, the live version. Now he go gym. You see some people where they get muscles. You know all those muscular people where they take steroids, they get muscle. Nobody can go miss them. Say, uncle, I want to have a muscle like you. Now they can't introduce them to one particular thing, liquid, where they one particular fluid, where then they call Synthol. Now this particular Synthol, now oil, where then they inject inside body to pump your muscle. Now my guy, they addicted to this thing. He insert them so that all the muscle become blocked. See the guy before. See him now.
Now before be this.
Now before. This now before.
Okay.
See him now.
So finally, we
give us the now picture.
So make we can see the now picture. But this one like this now, but the guy been dey okay.
Wait now. See the guy now.
Oh, Dakaya. You know,
say this thing affect him so bad. They say they go need to amputate in hand because everything done strong. So now I don't know whether they conclude to amputate the hand. Now I don't know, but in the kind they talk say I beg, say people no try anything will be oil as steroids because this thing na oil, they inject oil, alcohol, painkillers, everything. Because it say the thing na like addiction. Since it not become oil, so that means that oil now don't congeal for inside body. What are you talking about? May go near where fire dey now, make the oil for turn to make the block when turn to make it turn back to oil for the body. Are the fried solution for the problem? Well, like they said, they're going to need to cut in hand. Say the thing almost kill them. But like I said, they don't find way to take cure. So you go need to, I think you need to go rehab to stay off that thing for a while. In fact, he say he deceive his wife to even inject her. Maybe in life for her saying that he's sick, he need to do this thing. Say when the wife knows, say see what it be, she warn him. She say, Oga, it's either this thing or our relationship. So now they will come and amputate him. No, he said they be one amputate him. Okay. But it be like say they don't find another way option. And you go need to stay out of him because the wife give an ultimatum. It's either you stop this or our love. And because he know what make a leave him, he decide say, baby girl, I will do it again. My muscle will reduce for you. Well, I said the thing almost kill her. You nearly now see. You know see him? Huh. We have to come back to something that we go to look now say now because of una sometimes they want to do all this thing. Consign me for wait now wait I no call your name my no dey get guilty conscience. What's wrong to you? Not they get yesterday they say we no fight yesterday and people will love it. Let's try to maintain the same decency. No, but we are not fighting. I'm just asking you a question. What you consign me inside this matter? Now guilty conscience they worry you like this. Wait first, wait. Just calm down in the name of the Lord. Calm down. Now for this particular guy now, that's why I like to preach one message to people: love yourself the way you are. Please, no, do you do your face like that, man? Wait till I do. I do you. You know they encourage. Now you are look. You not do me anything. I not go look table, do my eye the way now your eye, now your look. Not, you know they confuse them for house. It's not a good something because now so you go take do now tomorrow you go want change your eye like that guy change in Moscow. Please behave yourself. You don't cuckoo insult me because of him. Shebi you don't they talk small small. You don't cuckoo talk him. Oh yeah, finish. Wait now, man. You know they do talk this thing now. See, love yourself the way you are. I'm telling you. God here create you in a special way. Yeah. Don't go add anything or please. Please, this one now Moscow gone wrong. I'm telling Moscow gone wrong. That guy now, if you want to go and reduce back himself, all the oil and the roller weight up put for inside body, make it near for fire. Yes. If you just stay near lakara,
When they say akara, you just they melt. Make you go do any scientific one thing, or make it come. Nothing with they do flour.
Okay, we go grind that.
We go just do one for your body. All the road go they come up for the body, small. Before you know it, like 14 jerry can don't set. So I beg you, already be that name again. Mario, please. We are wishing you the best, even for your good decision when you go decide.
Talk your story.
It depend me.
Your contribution to my story don't do. Talk your.
It depend me. Because this guy now get more to what they find. But you can't go over and get up.
As in
At least give me small.
As in
me, Egos, we plenty. Just give us small. Tweet.
Today, Raji.
Please. Give us small Moscow. Now, this one back to Lagos. This one inside Lagos, this one happen. Blessing, good luck. Now be the mother of, now be the name of this mother I want to talk about now.
Okay.
When people they find children, they go say, okay, God, you have blessed me with Pekin. When she be 14 years old, she go born this boy. She born the boy finish, but she said the boy too is stubborn. Now the boy na 9 years old. She can't lose and say, okay, this guy is too stubborn. Now the boy go greet one of her neighbor one day. Greet the neighbor where she not like.
Where she not like. She
not like the neighbor. So the boy can go greet the neighbor, say, based on fact, say she always complain, say, in the waka from house to house. 9 years old boy, he said, no, they do pium. As a matter of be like this, now, the woman verse one day. Carry the boy. Waka go Joel Legba. Now Joel Legba, waka go filling station. Dump the boy for there. She take off. He say, yo, she just leave and there. Say, they stay for here. I'm going to my house. You are frustrating me, and me, I don't tire for the whole thing. They can't find this boy, She can't lock up for picking where you born, no. But your own picking, no. Now you bring the boy come out for Belle. Last now, police can't carry the boy, can't find people up and down, say where the family and this thing. That's so they find and find. I see her face, That's what they find and the boy be this.
The boy says.
And so he get that stubborn picking face, but either way, he not still reach for say. Police now, I've been getting the face when I small. Police now can't finally locate the woman and reach house. They can't tell and say, madam, why you go do this kind of thing? She can't say, now I don't realize my mistake. Now devil now push me go do one because this boy is too stubborn. He they frustrates me. He they go they befriend with my enemy. He not good for me. That one me I go dump it for filling station. Now police tell her say, well done for your story. It's a super story. Come, maybe we carry go court, and from there you go stay inside cell. Now say she did the cry since now.
Because the truth be say, whether or when a child battery, now, you know if you just carry your picking, go dump am for one place because he is stubborn.
I mean,
if carry a rope, tie am for inside your, when you dey cook, tie am to zinc, make una dey gist
make
together.
Make it waka.
When you dey bath, tie am for the door, make una dey gist together. When you dey cook.
But that one self na still battery.
You don't understand. As in tell am, sit down there, put pankere, put am for under here, hold on, say sit down there.
At least, making this house, lock the doors. That's how I cook. Enter back, make it turn to inside house boy.
Why you go jump am for filling station for places?
I mean. You know where they go see the mama? Agbado. He not go. No matter how the body frustrates you. Come on.
The woman verse.
You want verse, you.
She just look the pikin one day.
For me, just fight your life.
She never talk to them. She just look at his.
9 years old, 9 years old. Now they pay me. Isn't that 19 years old now for a year? 9 years old.
You don't mature, 9 years old.
Why we don't grow? More leave the story, Jari.
Maybe the boy, when the boy, they say, when the boy that they say, you're going, they do
anymore, but some children, you are stubborn.
I tell you this.
You go like this. Come here. Some girls do like this. You go tell them, say, come here. They say, come here. All right, we'll go for a break. We'll stop for here. Anybody will get any contribute for this particular 2 story where you are come to give you, either for the Moscow from Mayowa or from this boy we got they put for inside filling station. For me, just go our Twitter for there.
Yes.
Wazobia Paddy go there go contribute.
Yes, or jam us for the facing book there. We could face ourselves for there. When they come back, we could go on a short break. Not go anywhere, Paddy. They come back to you in a short while.
Surprise, the fangs aren't sterilized. I'm too weak for curled fingers to tempt
You don't get any man who go see that way they go do like this. Oh Lord, animals.
Are you done laughing?
Yes, I'm done laughing. Before they ask me nonsense questions, are you done laughing? No, I'm still continuing for part 2.
Do you remember all those abuse when they sweet that time for school? Come on, go your unbalanced equation.
You get some stuff I don't forget.
Why are you laughing like a laughing jacquard?
Jacquard.
You're a laughing gas.
Laughing gas.
All right. Person don't do mumu things. Anyways, now, I'm very happy for this story, and I will tell you a reason why. Ask me why, Ogbolo.
Why?
I feel your why. Okay, I will tell you something. Not be every time they deporting us because we are doing a fraudster. Not be every time they catching Nigerians because they are doing a fraudster.
Jeez.
Not be every time you be deporting, Sometimes we too will deport.
Jeez. We are deporting people. Go back to your
country. What's wrong with you?
But we are saying no to xenophobia.
Yes, we are saying no. I will tell you why. Una not say now, every time they're going to say they catch this Nigerian. He duped this white woman of $75,000. He duped this one of $8 million. He this one. Now we don't catch a United Kingdom citizen.
UK.
He duped Nigerians of about 80 million naira.
Hell!
Yes.
Hey.
Yes. In short, 70, no, 70
million.
70 million naira. He duped Nigerians of 70 million naira. Say he wants to supply them diesel. I know say Nigerians, when scarcity there, our ear know they hear diesel or fuel. You go just do tan 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 tan. Anyway, now so in dupe people of 70 million naira, they catch up for the Muritala Mohammed International Airport when the guy wants smuggling himself come out for inside the country. Now in the nabam for there. Now according to police source, the suspect in one smuggle himself come out. You see the guy picture. You see him?
Bad guy.
Out of Nigeria through the Muritala International Airport. Ikeja. So and then the special fraud unit, other than SFU, and I then catch them. The Melverton, Ikoyi, Lagos, and then carry and go. The unit spokesperson will be DSP Ngozi Isintume. She talks say this particular person they don't catch him now. And they don't carry the case, move and go forward. Say by Thursday, they go declare every. But they catch this United Kingdom citizen, Sahid Mohammed Cameron, aged 48 years old.
Wow, 48. He can't be like 79.
My brother.
Maybe for the hungry that catch him.
When you enter police hand for like 2 days, when you do crime,
not true.
You go old.
Not true.
Oh,
your age will catch up with you.
Oh my God.
Your age you are double inside the prison.
Oh.
If you enter like Pansi or for you get Kiri. Now there you are old.
Every year by then like 10 years.
But for this particular gist now, you see. Before now, we always carry first for this guy thing. So now a UK man have come and do his own thing.
Not be say even there in country do him. He come and enter here.
For year can't do his own thing.
Uncle Ahel.
But by my own come, you say the seven Nigerians who in dupe safe. You are not in Nigeria. Make I leave it for there. You are not in Nigeria.
Maybe half caste.
7 Nigerians. 1 UK man buy all of una. You are not. If like who cry come house where they say one of my friend beats me, they go beat you, go back to that. And
go and fight. What's wrong with you?
Go and fight them and come back and tell me you beat them.
Yeah.
And that be the case of these 7 Nigerians now. Anyway, we 70 million that have catch him. Bam. Abi? Okay, now for my own, this is Enugu. Now this one can have happened now.
AKA Enugs.
Enugs, you know. Now, see, not be everybody will say their eye closed, not be beggar. Not be everybody will say, help me, now be beggar. Not be everybody. Now, this particular one, they are driving inside the bus for inside Enugu there. They say that for near MSP bus stop, they just before IMT gate for inside the Enugu there. Those of you that are very conversant with that area, you know where I'm talking about. Mayowa, say say do that like say wonders are happening. You understand? Again. Now, this eyewitness, he talk say he just see where one bus just do. People come, they jump down from the bus. They jump down, you know, like Fast and Furious. People come, they come down, boom, 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 boom. People, they come down, they cry. Women, they cry. Hey. They say, what's happened? They say one woman inside the motor, where one eye beggar. one guy where I have closed, they say na beggar, we enter the motor, he say he don't go charm the pregnant woman.
AKA Jazzy.
He don't do juju for the woman come talk to deaf and dumb inside the motor. They say the thing happen like this, so the woman sit down inside the motor, she make call. See people they hear and they talk for inside motor. All of a sudden from nowhere, beggar come. He self can enter the motor, sit down with everybody. Before you know what they happen, the woman come they try to tell driver say my bus stop. She come they do. They can't say what thing happen. From nowhere, beggar come talk say see now the woman and being wife say they never reach their bus stop. Everybody when also they don't enter the bus together, come they say lie you no enter together. Say only the woman enter by herself. You come and join the bus later. From there, people come they say the man have used juju for the woman
and she get belle.
He said don't use juju for the woman Say see. Before you know it, one guy waiting for the corner. When they don't come down from the bus, just hold the beggar. Beep, confess. Beep, po, confess. We not go pity on one eye. They beat her. Finally, black guy can't talk for the whole. They say, I use a juju for the woman.
Undo the juju now.
Finally, see the guy. Say, yellow guy, yellow.
Beat down.
See brushing now. People waiting for the area self chook and say, you, we kill you. We not go support jungle justice. But the beat and shot, the guy have finally confessed for the whole thing. How people have to be careful. Be careful. You understand? Be very, very careful. And please cover yourself with that blood. Please, somehow, you never know, you need a protection. Because somehow, you don't know who is sitting close to you. Even my way they fear it sometimes.
I'm telling you, now is to be careful. You Effiong, Bemi, Sarah, oh God, don't be hugging me again.
No, please
don't be hugging me.
The best you can do is from far, just say Bluetooth.
Hi, even the hi, I don't want to talk before you go know so I get voice.
Please. Because this one now, God save the woman. Waiting the one-eyed beggar for go carry the woman, go do.
Who
you say
knows?
people waiting for inside motor no talk, say
but
na lie.
But he return her deaf and dumb.
They don't conclude for the story for that place, but they say they catch it. He go return am me.
He go return am.
You go return my voice for me. But any which way, we thank God say they catch him. Police now have entered the whole thing, and they don't hold the man, and they say they beat. They beat. Beggar now, nobody say I'm as beggar again. We say I'm as fellow woman being when they go there do bad thing.
Bad thing. You're a bad man.
Okay, now you come out for that particular gist, and of course you get your own contribute. You can just go for a Twitter angle. Reach out there at Wazobia Paddy reach there. Give us your own gist. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh,
yeah, you know.
What's
me on? What they worry? What's me on? You know they see my Jackie Chan move. Why you doing just now?
As the spirit leads.
They get her. Please let's go for a funny video and pictures. We're coming back on top. Laugh. We are committing mouth for this kind of gist. Laugh the laugh things. No.
Take it away.
Take it.
कुछ भी नहीं बेला ही जा भज के पिछो ट्राली पा के लिया ट्राली हां आ गया कुछ भी नहीं बेला ही जा भज के पिछो ट्राली पा के लिया ट्राली हां आ गया
Even the chameleon itself is impersonation.
This is a but not true. Wait, the chameleon. When they say they behave like this, they say you behave like chameleon, abi. Why chameleon go the vest?
Like this.
Why chameleon go the vest?
As the chameleon look and say, wow.
Why na it shock for it? It be like when devil they shock say another human being a wicked. Devil say wow.
You are really wicked.
You are wicked past me. Chameleon shocked. He shocked for it. Say wow. Okay, hope you enjoy the whole thing, Sha. We are giving funny video and story and everything, and everybody are okay.
Don't forget, say tomorrow now Wednesday, and it be like so we go get one Ogbonge person with us for Inside with Studio. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah. So on Wednesday tomorrow we go get better person with us for Inside the Studio. So stay tuned to your favorite show, Paddy.
Yeah. Party, 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 party.
Slow motion, up the game of this song. Up and Fuji.
No, I go this. Now you start sing all those ones.
Nami ras like that.
Okay, before we go sing our song, we'll tell them bye-bye.
Okay.
So, when I bye-bye, we love all of you, and please get better day, okay? Get better day. Make sure say you get better day. Now warning, now advice. We love all of you now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, say we're okay. How's that?
Sonu.
Sonu.